Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here today to share my October Halloween layouts. And I did not create any new layouts this year. I just added photos to the cheaters that I made last year and the year before. I had, if you guys will remember, last year in 2020 and in 2019, I made layouts for Halloween and did not put photos on them. I just put the layouts into my unfinished album, my unfinished layouts album. So I went through there and I pulled a ton of photos and I just went through and added pictures. So, and I didn't do a lot of journaling. I did leave space on here. This is the first one, and you can see, you can go back. I will add links to that playlist of videos from the last couple of years so you can see. I just cut the photos down and put them onto the already pre-cut mats. The mats I cut down to 4x6. For most of these, I think I have one that's a 5x7 somewhere in here. You can cut your photos to the same size, or you can make them a little bit smaller. Because I had a few whitish color embellishments on here, I wanted to leave this edge around the photo mat, and my son's face is painted white in this photo, so I wanted to leave that there, this lighter cream color mat around the edge to give it that little bit of pop. This was one of my favorite layouts. Love, love, love it. Yeah. This one is again of my kids. My son and his girlfriend. The other was my son and his wife. This is my son and his girlfriend. And I went through and I added their names down here and the date here. And then also cut the photo down to give it a white border for this mat because of the white ghost on here. I wanted to give it that little pop of white. Next up is a 2-page layout, and this is one where I used a ton of super bright colored papers to create the background of this one. This one was a full 12x12 on 2 sheets of white cardstock. I used the ribbon and all sorts of embellishments. I left the photo mats the size and cut my photos down to fit on top of them. And these were all, this was a 3x4, this was a 4x4 here and here, and the other 4 photos were 4x6. Simple, easy. Did my journaling up here. Yeah, love how this turned out. I love creating Halloween layouts, and I so missed that this year, but I am glad that I was able to go through and add photos to layouts that I had already created. This one is another 2-page layout. Yes, I do like 2-page layouts. 2 pieces of black cardstock. This purple one is 1 sheet, and then this is a portion of another sheet of paper, and then that's a packaging actually that goes here. Yeah, you'll have to go back to the original video to see when I created this one how I used packaging to create this layout. But you can see I have ribbon on these. I have all sorts of stickers from older kits or just random supplies that I had. Love, love, love how this turned out. I have a 4x4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 4x6 photos on this 2-page layout. And I did my journaling here. This one is a 2-page layout. This is the final 2-page layout. And you can see this is a full 12x12 piece here on craft color cardstock. I used a border strip of paper here, some cutoffs here. Yeah, and I did my journaling down here on these washi strips. And this piece, it was actually a journaling spot. I just put trick or treat on. And this calls for 4 4x6 photos. And you can see I left that up. I did not glue that down only because I knew it would be going on top of a photo. Okay, That's it. Those are the cheaters that I did. I used 3 of my 2-page layouts and 2 1-page layouts that I had previously created. I will leave links to those videos or to those playlists where those videos were created or where these layouts were created. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I hope to see you on the next one. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.